Today I will discuss how methods for write the rate of reaction for any chemical reaction. हम कैसे किसी भी केमिकल रिएक्शन का रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन डिटरमाइन करते हैं, कैसे लिखते हैं, आज हम इस वीडियो के बारे में डिस्कशन करेंगे इस वीडियो में. Before starting my video, please subscribe my channel who is new and please press the bell icon for new updates for video. Okay. तो यहाँ पर हम रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन लिखेंगे फॉर एनी केमिकल रिएक्शन. टू टाइप्स ऑफ रिएक्शन यहाँ पर देखेंगे. नंबर ए, फॉर सेम स्टोइकियोमेट्रिक कोएफिशिएंट इन रिएक्टेंट and product. Means एक ऐसा chemical reaction in which reactant and product both have same stoichiometric coefficient, just like this. X plus Y gives out J. This is the reactant and this is the product. Here X have 1 mole, Y also have 1 mole and Z also have 1 mole. The rate of reaction for this reaction is rate of reaction equal to this appearance of X rate of this appearance of X. This square bracket indicates the concentration. Rate of this appearance of X equal to rate of this appearance of Y equal to rate of appearance of Z. Means rate of concentration of appearance of Z. तो जब when X and Y are react to each other, it disappear and it also disappear, then it forms Z. So the rate of reaction is equal to rate means with respect to the time. This appearance of X will change in concentration of X upon delta. To this appearance, as you know in the previous lecture, that for this appearance we use the sign negative, equal to rate of this appearance of Y minus delta Y upon delta T, equal to rate of appearance of Z means plus delta Z upon delta T. This is the rate of reaction. Rate of reaction. For same stoichiometric coefficient in chemical reactant and product. But now we discuss for different stoichiometric coefficient. अब जो हम डिस्कशन करेंगे टाइप बी होगा फॉर different stoichiometric stoichiometric coefficient. Let's see here. जैसे एग्जांपल अगर हम बात करें, एक एग्जांपल इस पर डिस्कशन करते हैं फॉर सेम स्टोइकोमेट्रिक कोएफिशिएंट. जैसे नाइट्रोजन डाइऑक्साइड इज रिएक्ट विद कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड and they form nitrogen oxide plus carbon dioxide. Here, one mole, one mole, one mole, one mole. There is the same stoichiometric coefficient. So, the rate of reaction equal to minus delta change in concentration of NO2 upon delta T equal to minus delta carbon monoxide concentration upon delta T equal to plus delta NO upon delta T equal to plus delta CO2 upon delta T. This is the normal examples related with the same coefficient. But अब हम जो डिस्कस करेंगे having different stoichiometric coefficient for different stoichiometric coefficient types. Just if x and y is react to each other and they form 2 moles of Z, there is the difference in stoichiometric coefficient. Here 1 mole and here 2 mole. Means when 1 mole of x is react with 1 mole of y, then it form 2 mole of z. लेकिन जब भी आपको रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन लिखना होगा, you always write for only 1 mole. When you write the rate of any type of reaction, then you always write for only 1 mole of substance. 1 mole, then it form 2 mole. अब यहाँ पर 2 moles का फॉर्मेशन हो रहा है. 1 mole of X react with 1 mole of Y, then it form 2 mole of Z. Rate of reaction equal to rate of disappearance of X is equal to rate of disappearance of Y is equal to rate of appearance of Z. No doubt, एकदम clear. Now, rate of reaction is equal to minus delta X upon delta T. Here is 1 mole only. Minus delta Y upon delta T equal to, अब यहाँ पर देखो, यहाँ पर 2 moles का फॉर्मेशन हो रहा है, लेकिन हमें इसको 1 mole में बनाना है. 1 mole X 1 mole Y मिलकर 2 mole of Z का फॉर्मेशन कर रहा है. लेकिन अगर 1 mole ये है 1 mole ये, तो ये कितने moles का फॉर्मेशन करेगा? मींस 1/2 means half. Means the coefficient of Z is goes in denominator, means 1/2 means X the rate of reaction, Y rate of reaction equal to 1/2 delta Z upon delta. अब you always write rate of reaction only for 1 mole of substance. Like an example, H2 plus I2 gives out to HI. Then what is the rate? Reaction is equal to minus delta change in concentration of hydrogen upon delta T is equal to minus delta I2 upon delta T is equal to, the coefficient is goes in denominator, means 1/2 plus 1/2 delta Hi upon delta. So this is the rate determining system. sorry, this is the rate of reaction for this reaction. These all most are examples. Let's take an example. मीन्स आपको करना क्या है, अगर बहुत सारे कोफिशिएंट दिए हैं like this, then what will be the rate of reaction for this reaction? Then the rate of reaction is equal to 1 by minus 1 by A delta change in concentration of A upon delta T equal to minus 1 by B delta change in concentration of B upon delta T equal to 1 by C with plus sign because its concentration is increases, small c, change in concentration of C upon delta T equal to plus 1 by D change in concentration of D upon delta T. So this is the basic concept to how you write the rate of reaction for any type of chemical reaction. Now the unit of rate of reaction. The unit of rate of reaction, as you know, the rate of reaction equal to change in concentration upon time. As you know, the concentration is expressed in mole per liter. Mole per liter. And the time is taken in second. Then what is the unit of rate of reaction? Mole liter second means mole liter inverse second inverse. Unit of rate of reaction. If for a gaseous reaction the change in concentration is used as in atmosphere, like as if A is a gas substance, B is a gas substance, then it forms C as a gas. Then the rate of this reaction, this is the gaseous form of this reaction. So change in pressure upon time is equal to rate of reaction for gaseous type of reaction. So the pressure have unit atmosphere and time have unit second, minute, hour. So the unit of the rate of reaction is atmosphere second inverse. Atmosphere second inverse.